Hello friends, a warm welcome and once again welcome back to the RAS Mains Probable Question Answer series. So, as you know, I have already discussed the week 3 of September 2024 current affair. On that basis, I am here to discuss the model answers with the questions which I have already mentioned in that particular lecture. I hope you are honest with yourself and you have already noted down these questions and answered these questions as per your knowledge by you have got the in the that particular lecture. So I request you, if you haven't watched that lecture, please go to that lecture and first watch all the and study all the topics, then answer these questions which I have already mentioned in that video, and then come to this video and tally your answers with these model answers, so that if there is any mistake is being taken place by yourself, that can be improved at this moment, so that the same mistake cannot be repeated in the real time examination of RAS mains that is going to be held in June 2025. So let's start. The first category of questions is 15 words. So first question is, in what form has Yogasana being included in the 2026 Asian Games that are going to be held in Nagoya, Japan? So the answer is, Yogasana has been included as a demonstration sport in the 2026 Asian Games. Okay. The next question is, who has recently been elected unopposed as the president of the Olympic Council of Asia? So the answer is, Ranadhir Singh from India has been elected unopposed as Olympic Council of Asia's president for the time period of 2024 to 2028. Okay, the next question is, what is the name of the asteroid recently orbiting Earth temporarily called the mini moon? So the asteroid called the mini moon is named as asteroid 2024 PT5. Okay, I have been discussed all these topics in depth and detail in that particular lecture. So you may go to that lecture, and the link of that lecture is mentioned in the description of this lecture, this particular video. So you can go to that video from there directly. Okay. The second category of question answer is 5 marks and 50 words. So here the question number 4 is, what is the social significance of the Jatar Pratha prevalent in South Rajasthan? So the answer is, the Jatar Pratha recognizes the married daughters / sisters first right over the crop and provides her a share. Okay. It reflects respect towards women and their informal rights in property. Collective worship and festivals also strengthen social unity. Next question is, what are the national average poverty line limits determined by the Tendulkar Committee in India? So the answer is, the national average poverty line set by the Tendulkar Committee is 1059.42 per rupees per person. It is almost 1060 rupees per person per month in rural areas, and for the urban areas it is 1286 rupees per person. It is important to note that this is the national average and may vary by state. Next question is, what is the purpose and significance of the Indian Navy's Sagar Parikrama mission? The answer is, the Sagar Parikrama mission aims for 2 female naval officers named as Lieutenant Commander Dilina K and Rupa A to circumnavigate the world by sea on the INSV Tarini vessel. The mission showcases woman power. Okay, you have to answer 2 parts of this question. One is, find what is the purpose of Sagar Parikrama, and the second is significance. So the purpose I have mentioned earlier here. Now I will mention here the significance, and significance says that the mission showcase woman power in the maritime domain and attempts to revive the Navy's sailing tradition. Okay. Next, here the category third, 10 marks and 100 words. So the question is, mention the main points of defense, semiconductor and space cooperation under the recent India-USA bilateral agreements. So the answer is, with respect to defense, India will purchase 31 MQ-9B Predators for ISR, okay, Predator drones for ISR from the USA. Under the India-US Defense Industrial Cooperation, co-production of jet engines and ammunition will take place, and Lockheed Martin and Tata will establish MRO, that is maintenance and reschedule and operation facility for C-130J Globemaster. Okay, in with respect to the semiconductor, it is a new semiconductor plant for the national security will be set up in Kolkata. Space Corp in with respect to the space cooperation, ISRO and NASA will be collaborate in space research. I will mention here two missions in with the collaboration of NASA of ISRO is Axiom mission and NISAR mission. Okay, these agreements will strengthen India's defense capabilities, technological self-reliance and strategic partnerships. And last question is, what is the plan for the proposed interstate cheetah conservation complex and which regions will be included? So first you have to mention for the purpose of this particular complex, and then I have to mention the regions. Okay, so the plan is, India aims to create an interstate cheetah conservation complex over the next 25 years in the Kuno Gandhi Sagar landscape of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan under the Project Cheetah Report 23-24. Immediate plan is establish a new cheetah group in Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary, and if you are aware, this has already been done. If you are reading newspaper before 2 to 3 days. Okay, by the end of 2024, included areas are, the broad landscape includes 8 districts of MP, that are Shopur, Shivpuri, Gwalior, Morena, Guna, Ashoknagar, Mandsaur, Neemach, and 7 districts of Rajasthan, that are Bara, Swaimmadhopur, Karoli, Kota, Jhalawad, Bundi, Chittorgarh. More districts from UP and MP will be added in the future. Okay, that is the here we wind up this lecture, and I request you, if you are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed the Anagh Academy, please subscribe, so that any content, any material which we published on this particular YouTube channel for your RAS preparation is not going to be missed by you. Okay, and if you like our channel, if you like our content, then please make a like in the particular video, so that we get motivation to make more such kind of videos. And if you have any kind of doubt or any kind of suggestion, please make it in the comment section, so that our team and I will make assure that all your suggestions will be included in the upcoming lectures and upcoming content of Anagh Academy. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep studying, keep safe, and be clear to your goal. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.